Hi, boys and girls. I want to read a mentor text called Milk to Ice Cream. And it's written by Lisa Harrington. It's a nonfiction book. Do you notice how there are photographs instead of like drawings? It's a photograph of an ice cream cone. That looks good right about now, especially on this warm day, right? So I want you to be thinking about this read aloud as you're writing your new one, your new how-to book. Here's the table of contents. We've seen this before, boys and girls, and we talk about this when we see nonfiction books. Okay, so each one of these lines is a chapter. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's the glossary, index, and other information in here. Another clue that it's nonfiction when you see a table of contents. So it says, from farm to factory. Ice cream is a cool treat. Get the scoop on how it was made. Milk is needed to make ice cream. Milk comes from cows. Farmers milk the cows. Machines pump the milk through tubes. The milk flows into tanks. The tanks cool the milk. The milk is put into trucks. The trucks bring the milk to ice cream factories. Now this chapter, do you notice how this is in bold? It's like a little fatter. And it's in color. So that's telling us, readers, that this is a new chapter. And the chapter's name is going to be all about mixing the ice cream. So it's kind of like a title of the book, but except this is a title of the chapter. All right. The milk goes into a big machine. Cream and sugar are mixed in with the milk. The milk mix travels to another machine. It is heated to kill germs. This machine is called a pasteurizer. That's a big word. And they even tell you, because it's so big, they sound it out for you. Pasture, cha, rise, Oh, I see green letters again. And they're bold. Again, bold means it's kind of fat. Must mean it's another chapter. And this one's called A Tasty Treat. The fat in the milk mix is broken up. The mix cools and becomes thicker. The flavor is added to the ice cream. Then the flavored mix is put into a freezer. Air is pumped inside to keep the ice cream smooth. I didn't know that. Air makes it smooth, The smooth ice cream is poured into containers. This is when other things like nuts, fruit, or chocolate chips would be added. Ooh, maybe chocolate chip cookie dough would be added too, right? The ice cream is put into big freezers. It becomes hard. Then the sweet treat is taken to stores. Ice cream can be enjoyed in many ways. Some people like it in a bowl or on a cone. How do you like your ice cream? All right, now on this page, it's pretty cool. It says making ice cream step by step. That's reminding me of our how-to books. And check it out. Number 1, farmers milk cows. And the arrow is telling us that that's the next step down below. Number 2. The number 2 is also telling us this is the next step. The milk goes to factories. Here's another arrow. Step 3. Cream and sugar are added. Here's another arrow. Step 4. The mix goes through machines. Flavor is added. Here's our last arrow. Step number 5. The ice cream is poured into containers and frozen. Are you noticing what I'm noticing? I'm not hearing first, next, then. So if I were to add this one, I might do that. But I'm wondering if this is more of something we call a diagram. That these little arrows are just showing us first, next, then, after that, last. All right, so different books, we can learn different things from them. So it's step by step. We really have to think each page by page, what is happening next? Think about your audience. Who are you writing this for? Are you writing it so that someone else can do it? Are you writing about how to make ice cream or make bread or how to play basketball so that someone else could pick it up and do what you said? Yes, that's our goal, writers. So today's work is you're going to be thinking about how do writers write? How do they sound in these books? Just like milk to ice cream.